Hi, Scott Dolan at MarineMax here in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a fresh out of shrink wrap Sea Ray SPX 230. So the 23 SPX is the only boat that Sea Ray currently builds in the 23-foot size range. So SPX is a 1921s 23s. This is the 23, full 8.5-foot beam. Really, really big cockpit for a 23-foot boat. It's one of the first things everyone knows when they come in and take a look at this boat. It just feels bigger than other 23-foot boats. Because they've made these inside walls very, very vertical, it just spreads it out, makes it a little bit more room in here. So L-shaped bench on the driver's side of the boat, companion bench over here with twin buckets. So if you want twin buckets, this is a really, really popular boat. Nice Simrad touchscreen dash, so 9-inch Simrad, upgraded stereo with LED lights, and this one was also optioned with the 6.2 liter 300 horsepower motor. So really, really good motor for this boat. Probably it's one of the best performing Sea Rays that they currently build, model and horsepower wise. Full wraparound upholstery up in the bow and completely upholstered, gone are the open fiberglass area. So really, really trimmed up. Really, really looks great. And if you drive this boat, the performance is just unbelievable. So if you have any questions about this or any other boat you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.